Pamela Shepherd with Pamela Shepherd Productions here, and I just went to the Dollar General, and I had a nice haul there, so I thought I would show you real quick what I got. So let me turn the camera around. Some of the first things I got 2 of these little buckets. Aren't they darling? They're so cute. And they were $5 each. And then I got this little girl that, isn't she so cute? And a little stool that said, "Give thanks." It is so darling. The stool was $5. And so I thought it would be really cute to have, let me back up a little bit so you can see the girl sitting beside the bucket. Her hair's all messed up since I moved her. But anyhow, I thought, how adorable is that? She got kind of a weighted bottom to hold her there. And then I got this give thanks sign. And I think it was $3.50. I thought that was really cute. And then I got another one of the little girls like that. I got a sign that says, "Give thanks with a grateful heart," and the pumpkin's supposed to turn over, and it's a galvanized pumpkin that goes with it. How cute is that? And then I got 2 of these, and they were $2 each, and I really like those, and I like the ribbon that's on them. I got this to go in an arrangement I'm going to do outside on my porch on the table, and it was $5. I got a couple of another sign here that said "Happy Harvest." It's so cute. I got these. Now these are actually, I didn't realize it at first, but they're just cardboard, or well, pressboard. And I'm going to take some of my ink and darken up the edges of them and stuff, because I thought they would be pretty cute putting them around. Same thing with this one. It's actually not wood. It's like just a cardboard, you know, like a pressed board. Yeah. And then I got this little stool here. This is "Welcome." And I thought that would be really cute to put in one of the other areas. And let me take you over here and show you what else I got. So I already had this pumpkin, but I got some of these little scarecrow people that are cute. And I got 3 packages of different types of pumpkins and squash and pine cones. They were $3 each, and I guess I got 4 of those. I got these little, these are little clips on the back. Let me show you. They're $1 a piece. And the reason I got these, and then I got this little pumpkin here for $1. I got, over here I bought this tree. And I set it up on some of my hat box things. And you see I stuck a couple of the little things in there already because I'm going to decorate it. Isn't she adorable? I love the pigtails going out like that. So cute. But I bought these because I thought, well, they can just, after I get going on this, they just clip on the tree. But I thought they were so cute. And I'm going to put a bunch of stuff on there. And then see, I put one of these up here with this arrangement that I had going on my hutch. And let's see, I think that's about all I got. Oh no, I got a bucket. Hang on, I'll show you the bucket. I got this little bucket for $5. It already had the ribbon around it. I just took a garland that I already had and just put around the top of it. I stuffed some stuff inside and had the garland around top. I just stuck this flower in here. This one here, I just stuck it in there because I like the color. I did buy 3 of these different leaves. One of them was this rust colored, one was gold, and one was like a copper. And I thought that looked pretty in there. And then I stuck this flower in there and this one deal. All the rest of it was just garland, and I'm going to put just a little bit more in there, and I'm going to put it in the window in my sunroom, and I'm probably going to put the little girl sitting on her little stool. It's so cute. Yeah, so there you go.